and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Leo. I'm here today with Karen.
Hello.
And we are back in the studio to introduce our latest as seen on TV launch. This is the Paradise Beach Hut. We have this super cute, it's
Adorable.
kind of like a little mini collection because it's a die set and an embossing folder to go with it as well. So let's have a look at those first of all.
Okay.
So we have our Paradise. I'm going to just shimmy this up slightly. There we go.
Yes, so we've got the Paradise Beach Hut gift box die set.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, isn't that
That is quite the mouthful.
Quite the title there. So you do have obviously your instructions inside the pack. Let me just show you the pack first. So we have got some lovely inspiration on the pack here, made by our lovely Alison.
Mm-hmm.
And on the back there for you to see, it's a teeny tiny little die set.
I know, it's so cute, but it makes such a lovely gift box.
It's
a
really,
good size.
really does. So that is your inspiration on your packaging. I'm just going to move that out of the way a second. And if you have a look at this die set, you can see how simple it is. This is your house. You cut that twice. This is your roof. You cut that twice. You can add a base if you want to. You can add the little feet if you want to. It is done. It's so simple. It is such a good, quick little gift box.
You got some super adorable little additions in
You
here
do,
too.
some little accents. You've got some bunting and a surfboard. You've got your little life preserver there.
Yeah.
Little windows here and your anchor. A closure, obviously, for the lid. We'll show you how that opens and closes in just a second. You've got some oars to turn your surfboard into a paddleboard.
Indeed you have.
Because that is all the rage at the moment.
Yeah, it is.
And you've got some nice little sentiments here. Oh, hang on, upside down. So this one says Paradise, this one says Welcome, and you've got Beach Hut as well.
Very, very sweet.
Very cute. So I love this window with the shutters. So it's just one cut.
Yeah.
And just stick it straight on.
Absolutely.
Fabulous.
Perfect. So that is the die set. We then also have, like I said, a 3D embossing folder that comes along with this. So I'm pretty sure we're going to have these available separately if you want one or the other, or we will have them bundled for you as well.
Now we've called this one Beached Planks. So the idea behind this was the planks are small enough that you can use. Let me just get one of the dies here.
It's actually a beach hut with it on.
Oh,
just show.
Fabulous.
There you go, look.
Yeah, so you can use the outer edges of the pattern dies, the verso dies, to cut your panels for your beach hut.
Yeah.
So that is the thinking behind the size of these panels on here.
But I think like a wood grain or a plank embossing folder, it's one of those classic ones that you just want to have in your stash for any kind of project. So
Definitely.
we do have another project featuring a couple of the dies and that embossing folder again. This is yours.
I made this ages ago.
I know.
Goodness me. So yeah, I just did some inking on that just to bring out the wood grain effect. I've gone bleached as well. I didn't know it was going to be called that.
Oh,
I've gone bleached as well. I mean, I think it was a bit of a collab because you came up with the colour in.
Yeah. I
Do you remember that? Yeah,
I do remember talking about it. Yeah.
So yeah, we've just added the bunting and the stand-up paddleboard there. Little life preserver and Hello Summer. Teeny tiny little anchor on the corner there.
That may be from something that would work really delightfully with your beach hut and your beached planks embossing folder.
Yes, I did use a stamp that might well be a sneak peek. I don't know when anything is going out.
So when this is going out from us directly, the other thing will be available roughly a week later.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
okay.
There's roughly a week between the two.
I think I've given a little bit of a sneaky peeky too much.
No. It's fine. Absolutely fine. We love the sneak peeks around
We
here.
do love a sneak peek.
Okay, let's pop those back. Let's have a look then at some of these.
Oh, no.
You knew there was going to be a crafty lunch today.
I did.
Okay.
Okay, so this one here then is one from Vicky, and it is using those planks. So it's using that embossing folder. Cuts down the work, no paper piecing, no anything. You're literally just cutting your embossing folder, cutting your panels, popping them in your embossing folder, and away to go. And I would do it that way around.
Yeah, I think I would.
Cut the panels so you're not squishing them when you're die cutting.
Exactly. I think she styled this one as like a little garden shed.
Ah, yes, it is.
She's taken some like little flower dies from a couple of other sets, I'm guessing, that she has.
Beautiful.
And just added those on. So it's more of a garden shed than a beach hut for this one, which I think, yes, it is a beach hut, but you could make it so much more. It is basically just a little building.
It is. It is for you to use.
What would you like your little building to be?
I do like this roof piece as well, though. That is cute. Very, very cute. So that is Vicky's little garden shed. I'm not going to open this one just because it's tied so nicely.
Yeah, and we don't get to tie those back properly.
We never tie them back properly, and it's not been photographed yet.
Exactly.
So I'm going to leave that there.
There's one that does have an opening.
Exactly. I saw that one. So let's put this one here. This one is from Angela, and Angela has frilled all these up really nicely as well. Beautiful colourway, nice greys there with a pop of colour with the lilac and green. But look, if I just spin this one around for you, you've got those windows, you've got the doors there, and the little paddleboard on the front. And this is how this opens. So you've got a little catch, and it opens right at the top. So you've got lots of room to be able to put things in. Yeah. You're not relying on these little teeny tiny doors. They literally are just for show. Much better idea. So this is where you open the box. Fantastic. There. Fabulous. An absolutely fabulous size as well. We haven't measured. Let's give it a measure. Where's my centre point? There. Okay, so this is roughly 2.5 inches square. And up to the top point in the roof. Oh, I'm measuring the box, not the feet now, okay? Up to the top point in the roof is about there, which is, it's not from the centre.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 4.75?
Yeah, four and a smidge.
4.5.
4.5?
Yeah.
Nice, and that's up to the top point in the roof. But to this point here, I think would be a good measurement, wouldn't it? To here, that's 3 inches. Yeah. 3 inches to the base of the roof.
Where the apex starts.
Where the apex starts, indeed. So that is your beach hut from Angela there.
Very, very sweet. We've got so many lovely little beach huts.
I know. So let's just bring them in. This one is off packaging. This is what we normally do. We do packaging first, don't we? So this is from packaging. You can just see that one. There's plenty of pictures on the pack for you to see of that one. Which is Al's other one? Because I cannot remember.
This one, I think.
Yeah?
Yes, that one.
Nice. Oh, this is adorable. So for this one, this was my idea. I remember. Okay, so we wanted to show a different roof. I remember now. God, it's all coming back. And I said we could use this and trim it down. Can you see what we've done here? So we've used the panel, the actual outer edge of the verso panel, and just repeat cut it and trim them down. Just to give you a different type of
that idea.
roof.
And I love the little mini windows in the square window.
Yes, that's obviously what they were for, and I didn't even think of that. That teeny tiny window. It's fabulous, isn't it?
So sweet.
So that is good, and that's got everything on it.
That kind of reminds me a bit of like the the lifeguard station.
Yes,
it kind of has that vibe.
Yeah, it does.
Guess the red and white stripes is doing it.
Yeah, and the this one, this base, the base on this one reminds me of the lifeguards.
Yes.
Thing.
I can just hear the Baywatch tune in my head.
Okay, let's have a look at this one then. Now this one is from our Vicky again, and look how sweet this one is. Oh man, so
definitely
cute.
paradise, this one.
It is, yes, that's what the sign says, you know. And beautifully frilled pieces here. I think that is a fab little look for this one. You've got your paddleboard, you've got your windows, you've got your shutters. Stunning, absolutely stunning. Love it. Thank you, Vicky. What have you got there?
I've got this lovely little one. This is also from Vicky. So using the other feet for this one.
Yeah, and I think it's got a little bit crushed in transit, you know.
Oh, no.
Yeah, we're all right. We can stick him back on. He's fine.
We can rebuild.
We have the power to rebuild. Yeah, we've gone red, white, and blue again. Classic.
And a bright yellow surfboard on the front, which is just
beautiful.
Stunning.
And I love the fact that we've got bunting in it. I think it's a fabulous die set.
It's so quintessentially British, isn't it?
It is. It is. It's beautiful.
There are not many beaches anymore that have little beach huts.
No, this one just says beach hut.
Down in Broadstairs, I know they do. They still have, and they're all brightly painted, and people do deck them out for the summer.
Fabulous.
I'd love to have a beach hut.
Oh, yeah. Very, very nice.
What else have you got?
Okay, I've got another. Oh, no, I haven't.
You can get it. I believe in you. I believe in you.
You can get it. So this is from Roche, and Roche has actually cut up those planks for her roof.
Yeah.
So just taking that embossing folder and just cutting the planks out, basically.
Yeah, just cutting little strips.
Love it, love it, love it, Roche. Absolutely fabulous. And very, very much more masculine themed for this one, with your nice browns and craft card that I have to hide from myself, and this beautiful what is the colour of that one?
Coffee cream.
I'm never gonna have them again, am I?
No. It's been too long.
It has been too long. The coffee cream pearlescent card there, just to pick up that beautiful emboss on that embossing folder.
Really
so that's
lovely.
a lovely one there from Roche.
I've got one down here. So again, this one is maybe a little bit of a sneak peek.
Oh, that's a nice one. Okay, so this one is from Roche again. And Roche has given us the sneak peeks today, not me. We've got, what I like about this one is you can just see under here that Roche has put a different colour underneath.
I love that.
So you've got a little hint of a colour coming through there with the pumpkin orange.
Pumpkin, yeah. And I think it's probably pumpkin and fuchsia.
Yeah, yeah, it's beautiful. But this lovely pattern paper that you can see there may or may not be coming soon.
Little sneaky peek of something that you may or may not be seeing in a week or so.
Yeah, something like that. But beautiful there of Roche. Thank you very much for that one, Roche. And again, the little openings. Just see. Oh, you can probably see inside this one better, actually.
Oh, nice.
So that would be about there, do you think?
Yeah,
Is that a
that looks
nice?
good.
Yeah. So that's a nice area for you to put something in.
Perfect.
Fabuloso. What one haven't I shown? Is it this one?
Yep.
And then we'll save that one for last. So this is another one from Angela, and again that classic beach hut look. Red, white and blue, you've got your stripes, and I think this is just perfect. You've got some nice paper piecing on this as well, with the anchor and the little doorways pieced back in. So cute.
Very sweet.
Beautiful colourways there, Ange. Thanks for that one.
I've got one last one over here from Roche. A very beachy kind of, you know,
very,
that classic
very much.
pale blue and white.
That is lovely. Do you know what? I turn them round and I get a little surprise myself because I've not seen them. But they're beautiful, and with a little pop of colour with the pink and the yellow, and that is just gorgeous, isn't it?
Love that one. Okay,
Absolutely
let's
beautiful.
do the last one then.
Right. So, our Angela then has. Where am I going to put this for? Back a bit.
Yeah, probably around there.
There?
Should be good.
Okay. So she's joined two together basically, and she's used the centre part of the window.
So put them that way.
Away.
Around.
Yeah, that away. So she's joined two together. She's put a piece of card over the front, and she's made a whole little scene out of it as well. So she's used a nice. Where is this one from? Do we think? This fence. Is it from the? Do you remember the haunted house?
Could be. I mean, I'm sure a lot of dyes would cut you strips like that.
Yeah.
Though.
Yeah.
Is it? It's not the.
Oh man, is it that?
It
is. It is. No, she's not. She's made it herself.
Yeah.
Out of this.
It's from this basically. Yeah.
Okay, so she's used the panel The decoration panel, the striped.
For the side,
yeah,
not the front and back, because that's obviously got
a point.
Yeah, from
the
side.
decoration from the side, and she snipped it down. Wow, Ange, that is dedication. Thank you ever so much.
The design team do this. They see something that we haven't.
Yeah, can we just spin on this one? We're rotating. Spin it on the spot there, and look at that lovely bunting going all the way around this. That is absolutely fantastic, Angela. Thank you so much.
Does it still open?
Yeah, it opens as well. So you've got room for
double the goodies.
Extra sized little gifty for this one. Love it.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Fabulous, isn't it?
So this set and the embossing folder is available now from our website. That of course means if you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, you do get your 10% TCK discount, so definitely take advantage of that.
Absolutely.
If you need to, you can pay in installments on our website. We have either ShopPay or PayPal or Klarna available for you at checkout. Just pick whichever one works best for you. If you grab this die set and the embossing folder, maybe some of the other things that are coming out next week as well, don't forget to
tag us in your makes.
We would absolutely love to see what you make with this set. Do you have any ideas already? Do pop them in the comments below. I'd love to come back and have a look and see where your mind is already going with this.
And do you like the fact that it's got that embossing folder with it? Is that a really good selling point for you? You know, is that something that you think, oh, that'll make me a quick little a quick card anyway?
A quick card, a quick little mini house, mini building of whatever use you need it to be. If you have enjoyed this video, please do give us a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell.
Ding!
And you'll be notified every time we post a new video and when we go live, so that you don't miss out. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for coming back too. It's been weird
lovely to be here.
And we hope to see you in the studio again very soon.
Happy crafting!